Peruvians, Gary here at VW Jawbreaker. You notice we got a few people with us today. Would you like to know where we're going? Stick around. Alright guys, we made it to our destination. Orlando Speed World. That's right. Let's go run the track and see what kind of Volkswagen showed up today. Quite a few people turned out today. Can't beat this. Nice day, races, Volkswagens, friends, family. How much better can you get? It's turning out nice. Man, what a day. What a day. Let's check out some of these rides real quick. We got people from all over Florida today here. Man, what a day. Ain't this some fun?
Not this thing. And within 30 minutes, everybody rides out.
We got AJ again, Steve. There's a couple of water-cooled Volkswagens out there.
She was the one that was like, let's go now.
Heck of a group today, man. Heck of a group. This is only part of them. What's up? We got Jim out here. Got the guys from Jason's Bug Ranch. A couple more Volkswagens over there. Let's go find the drag bugs. What do you think? What?
Yeah.
Let me see this.
What are you doing? Race. Daytona 500.
The 62nd running of the Daytona 500.
This is the van I got to be at, man. Woo! Some sick rides out here today. This thing went 9 just a little bit ago. Holy crap. Moon eyes. Check that thing out. Woo! Told you guys, we got some Volkswagens coming out today. There's Chase buggy. See anything that interests you? Yeah, man. That thing's a monster. Man, the Volkswagen was just out in force today. So much fun stuff. Let's go check out Walter's Bug. Little bit of everything, guys. Good stuff. That's a setup, guys. Look at that. Like Ford racing engine, big block, big tire. Woo. Man, that's sexy. 737, 182. Stage with Jeff and a nasty tunnel buggy. Let's see what happens, huh? Turn the GoPro on. We got some Volkswagen. That's right. Got the tunnel buggy. Three-wheel tunnel buggy. That. Damn. Got a few Volkswagens here, guys. Alright, boys and girls, let's look at this time slip. I am in the left-hand lane. So we'll zoom in here. 777 reaction time. 2:59, 60 foot, not bad. 8th mile, 10:72 at 66, not bad. 16:535 at 83. I love that number. Let me tell you what, for the first time down a track in over 20 years, I'm ecstatic, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm shaking. I still can't, look at that. You can't even tell. I'm shaking the camera so bad, I apologize. But this is exactly what I needed to help boost my morale lately. Life hasn't been going so great, quite a few hiccups and whatnot in life, but hey, you know what? Good day out with friends and Volkswagens. I'll always fix that. All right, YouTubians, we are back home. Everything went fantastic. We actually made it back home under our own power. Imagine that. Let me tell you what, it was an absolute epic day to sit there and run my buddy Jeff in the tunnel buggy down the track. I lost, fair and square, 0.3 of a second. I had a higher mile an hour. It doesn't matter. You know why it doesn't matter? We had fun. Not to mention, I helped him build that tunnel buggy. And that's the 1915 I built on the back. Winner! Who cares? I launched easy. My 60 foot sucked. And I didn't have full throttle. I had about 85-90% throttle. Oh well. Who cares? Dude, Jeff went full send on that thing. The front end was launching. I did have some in-car footage. Did. Piece of crap. Ended up shutting down and nothing. We did 2 runs. Nothing. That thing's a piece of crap. Gotta get a new one. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We had an absolute blast with all of our friends out of the track today. I spent more time hanging out than I did anything else. It was such an awesome day. So again, thank you for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your support. We're here together to learn together and to have fun together. This is just another social media platform, in my opinion anyway, that we can connect and learn from each other. I'm learning from you guys. Hopefully, somebody learned something from me. Till the next time, be good.